Some projects you just have to admit you gotta pay someone. The flooring in my house is so confused. Let's count. This is from the front door. 1, 2, the brown. That pink is 3. The gray is 4. It's only a small portion of my house. Pink. Ugh, pink's gone away. I thought marble look would look okay. Nope, it doesn't. The pink again. And the whole kitchen family room. Having this professionally installed. I knew the flooring was cheap, but when I saw this, I thought, holy crap, that's cheap flooring. In the first day of hardwood flooring, from front door, that's still in, going into the kitchen, pink still out. But there's no cheap flooring. Ah, that was beautiful. The installers had to sand the concrete because there were a lot of bumps in the concrete, and they needed to make sure it was perfectly level. This is why I hired professionals to do this. The glue showing that the engineered hard wood is being glued to the concrete. This is end of second day. I'm staring at this small hallway. It still shows the pink tile. Here's the old disgusting flooring. Here's the new flooring. This is the front door area. No marble. It's so beautiful. Of course, the house is torn up. And comparing those two floorings, it's like amazing the difference. This is the other hallway. No pink flooring. The pink is gone. Yay! It's so beautiful. Starting from the front door again. No marble. This is where the brown tile used to be. Now it's hardwood. Here's where the pink was. It's gone. This is where the gray tile was. Gone. It's all a single flooring. 4 different floorings turned into one. This is where the pink used to be, right there. Gone. It looks so much better.